Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to add image, videos, link, and HTML. Before you watch this video, please subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. So open your VS Code. Now we have HTML file, CSS file, and also JavaScript file. So we are going to work in the HTML file. So open HTML template type HT. As you begin to type, you can see HTML5. You click on it, and the HTML template is ready. Now, you are going to change the title. You can give whatever name. You can say how to link, how to link image. This is a title. Okay. Now we have um, a body, and there is a tags for image, tag for link, and also video. Now, what are we going to do? Open your file. You're going to look for the image you want to add in your HTML. Okay, now let's add this image. So you are going to copy this image and paste it in your coding folder. This is a folder we created for our coding. So you open, we have the one. So you are going to paste this image there. Okay. After doing that, I'll go back to your VS Code. You can see the image link is already here. Okay. Now, as you type img, so we have the image. So this is a source, the attribute. We call this one as attribute. This is source. Okay. And you are going to copy this image link again, copy it and paste it here. Okay, now let's open our browser and see. You right click and open with live server. Wait a minute. Okay, this is our image we have added in our HTML. But as you can see, the image is too big on the screen. So what are we going to do? We are going to arrange it, style it. We give the width and also the height of this image. Go back to your VS Code. So here, what are you going to do? We can see width of this image 100, and add the height of the image 100. Now let's see. See, now the image is smaller. Okay. Okay, let's make it bigger a little bit. Let's say 300. And the width also 200. Let's see. All right, it's perfect. Now we want this image at the center of this screen. So what are we going to do? We are going to give a class to this image, and now we can style it class. The class, what name are we giving? IMG. IMG. So if you open your CSS, open your CSS. Now you can say body. Let's give a background color. Background color. Okay. Let's say blue, violet. Oh, you can give whatever color. There are a whole lot of color here. You can choose. Okay. We have crimson. Let's click on this and see. Now check the background color of the image. Okay, no changes. Okay, there's a mistake here. So, and let's check where the mistake is. Um, that's why I told you in the first video that HTML, CSS, and JavaScript work together. As you can see, there is no CSS link with the HTML, so therefore you cannot style it. So let's do something here, and you can see the changes. Now we are going to link the CSS. Let's link the CSS to our HTML. Link style.css. Okay, now let's check again. As you can see, there is a new changes here now. Okay, now we can style our image. Let's style our image. So the name you give to this image, the class, is img. So you are going to use this img to style the image. Okay, now because you give it a class, you can say dot img, open the curly braces, and we are going to give a margin to that image. As you can see, the image is too close, too close with the border here, too close. So we want this image to move. So what are we going to do? You can say margin top, bottom, left, and right. Let's say 150 pixel. 150 pixel. Okay, let's check again. You can say the image has moved. The image has moved. Okay, now let's go back. Also, we are going to learn how to add link. The same thing we have done with this image is the same process for video, how to add a video in your HTML. So we are going to add a link. How to add a link. So what is a tag for link? The tag for image is img. The tag for link is A. Paragraph is B. Heading is H1. From H1 to H6. You can check my first video, the introduction of HTML. You can see everything there. Now, if you click A, you can see the attribute here is href, which is the attribute. So we are going to link. We can say https and use slash colon. Let's try Google. Let's say google.com. And we use element here. Let's use an element here. Click this link. Click this link. Okay, now let's view it and see. Okay, sorry here. Okay, click this link. Now let's view it and see. As you can see, click this link. So if you click on this link, okay, there is something wrong here. It says can't get the HTTPS. We need this link to take us to Google. This link to take us to Google. All right, let's see. There is a mistake here. Column, right? Then you can use your slash now. Let's check again. Refresh. Okay. Up with live server and see the changes. Okay, now click this link. So if you click on it, the link will take you direct to Google. The same thing you can do it if you link your WhatsApp to your project. When you click on that WhatsApp on your project, it will take you directly. The link will take you directly to your WhatsApp. So this is how to add link in your HTML. To add a link in your HTML. So please subscribe to my channel, like and comment so that it will motivate me to do more videos and you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you all.